Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward multiple emails in Microsoft Outlook at once, saving you from the hassle of sending them one by one. Let's get into it. First, select your emails. To forward multiple items, you first need to highlight them in your inbox. This works in both the classic and the new 2026 Outlook interface. Click on the first email you want to forward. To select a contiguous block, hold down the Shift key and click the last email in the list. To select specific non-adjacent emails, hold down the Control key and click each message individually. Next, use the Forward shortcut. Once your emails are highlighted, you can bundle them into a single new message. With the emails selected, go to the Home tab in the top ribbon and click the Forward button, or simply press Ctrl F on your keyboard. Outlook will automatically generate a new Compose window. Instead of long text chains, your selected emails will appear as individual attachments, usually in .eml or .msg format inside this new email. Lastly, compose and send. Now that your emails are attached, you just need to finalize the delivery details. Enter the recipient's address in the To field, add a clear subject line like Project Update Multiple Threads Attached so the recipient knows exactly what they are receiving. By forwarding as attachments, the recipient can open each original email separately, preserving the original timestamps, sender info, and any attachments that were in those specific messages. Finally, click Send. Your batch of emails is now on its way as one neat package. And that's pretty much it. To forward multiple emails in Microsoft Outlook, hold the Control key to select all the messages you need, right-click on the selection, and choose Forward. This bundles all the selected conversations as attachments into a single new email, allowing you to send them to your recipient in one go. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.